So, young man, what do you do for a living? Well, sir, I have a job. A job, huh? You must be paid well, considering you're a member of this exclusive club. Ha ha ha. Huh? Not enough for sure. What do you do, sir? Well, son, I own Jerko Rubber. We manufacture rubber-based products for the automotive industry, such as door and window profiles, hoses, belts, matting, flooring and dampeners. Wow, that's impressive. Well, it's been 35 years now, son. You know, I came to this city with only $50 in my pocket. Anyways, enough of that. So tell me more about this job of yours. Actually, I work with a publication firm. Publication? Do you mean like a newspaper? Actually, we publish magazines. Magazines. What kind of magazines? Fashion? Business? No. It's actually an IT media company. I'm sorry. I don't quite follow you. We publish magazines on IT. Oh, okay. We have the largest selling IT magazine in the country, sir, and that is targeted at the consumers. That's not all. We also publish other magazines for the B2B segment as well. So your job is to sell these magazines? No. So then, are you a journalist? No. Writer? Ah, I am the creative head. What does that mean? I lead a team of graphic designers. Graphic designers? Are they like fashion designers? No. Fashion designers design clothes. Graphic designers create stuff using computers. What do you create? Can you design buildings? Buildings are designed by architects, sir. We create art. Digital art. I'm sorry. I don't understand. Are you artists? Do you make paintings? We are artists of the digital age. We create commercial art. Well, my team and I are responsible for the entire look and feel of all our magazines. Right from cover design and packaging, to story visuals, illustrations, photography, layout and even conceptualizing ad campaigns for all our brands. Apart from this, we also provide our services for events and conferences built around these brands. Huh? Okay, let me start over. Do you watch movies, sir? Yeah, sometimes. Have you heard of the term special effects? Yeah. Have you seen Luke Skywalker and Darth Vader fight, using those fancy lightsabers? Or the USS Enterprise flying at warp speed on its intergalactic mission? Well, graphic designers are the people that made all of that possible. Today, with the advancement in technology, we can create islands in the air, and have alien-like creatures jump across them, whilst the audience wear 3D goggles for a completely immersive experience. I'm sorry, but what does that have to do with your job? Do you make movies too? No, sir. I am just trying to explain to you what the applications of graphic design are. Oh. Like for example, we also design websites, the user interface for your mobile phones, computers, iPads and even games. Even the labels on these liquor bottles, as well as your cigarette pack, are created by us graphic designers. Okay. I think I am too old for this. We even create ads for print, television, billboards and internet and other electronic media. Alright, I think I should leave now. Have to walk my dog. We also design company logos. Do you need one for your company? No thanks. That won't be necessary. We already have one. I can help you redesign your organization's marketing collateral and come up with visual messaging concepts to maximize your sales and pre-sales efforts. No. That won't be necessary. I really do have to rush. Could I have your business card, sir? I could drop you some emails with interesting links about graphic designing. Sure. But I do not check my mails. My secretary does. All right, son. It was, nice talking to you. Sir, do you have a Facebook account? What's Facebook?